Hi everyone. We are going to solve a lead code question which is determine if two strings are close, and the closeness of two strings is defined as given two operations. If we can swap any two characters such as given we swap B to E, you can see in the given example. Similarly, every occurrence of one existing character can be transformed to another existing characters, you know, with the same character. Okay. See, here we are having double A, yeah, we are having triple A and B. So we have transformed all the three A's to all the B's and all the B to A. If we can do this any number of times to transform one string to another, we can say that given two strings are close. Okay, so this may sound confusing, but the basic tenet of this question is, see, the number of characters especially should be same in both the strings, in both the words. Okay, and apart from that, you can see that the they must have, they should have, not must I will say, but they should have same number of occurrences in most of the cases. Okay, so see in example one, ABC having occurrence one and the length is also same, hence they both are close. In example two, the characters are same but their occurrences, frequency of occurrence is different, they are not, hence they are not close enough. Similarly, in example 3, you can see B is occurring thrice and C is occurring thrice. They're not same words, but with using the operation 2, we can transform of every occurrence of one character to the another character. Okay, okay, and we transform all the A's to all the B's. So the basic tenet of this to solve this question is, the sort, the both they must having same characters. I mean, if string one has A, B, and C, then string two should have A, B, and C, and not B, C, and D. If they have different characters, they won't be able to. So I will be using counters from Python from collections. Now I will store the counter of both the words. Okay, so C1 will be the counter of word one, string one, and C2 will be the counter of word two, string two. So if you don't know what counter is in Python, so counter is same as dictionary. It will find found from the dictionary, but it will also store the count of all the characters in the string. So in, if you can see in example one, the word one is A, B, and C. So it will be like A1, like A will be the key, and frequency of its occurrence, which is one here, will be its value. And similarly for B and C also. And example two, see the word one will have A key and value will be one, but for word two, key will be A, but the value will be two because it is occurring twice. Now I have checked just two conditions. That is it. If sorted C1 dot values will equal sorted C2 dot values, which is number of occurrence should be same of both the words. If they are not, we can transform them using operation 2, but I mean the sorted occurrence should be same. Okay, and apart from that, keys should be same. That is, if A is occurring in the string 1, then string 2 word 2 must have that letter A. Okay, set C2 dot keys. I hope this does the job. Let me test it. Yeah, example test cases are running. So I will reiterate my solution. We checked the number of occurrences of characters are same, so in sorted manner. Okay, so I'm check. So this is not checking the frequency of particular character. It is checking. Let's say in the example three, we can understand. C was occurring once, and A was occurring twice, and B was occurring thrice. In example two, A is occurring once, B is occurring twice, and C is occurring thrice. this should ring a bell that we are not checking, the values of each character wise. We are checking the frequency overall. So if a particular character is occurring thrice in word one, then any of the character in the word two shall occur thrice, which was B and C in this case. And similarly, if any character is occurring twice in word one, then successively any of the characters in word two shall occur twice. If that is the case, we can use the operation two to transform them. But if that's not the case, we will be helpless. And again, we are checking all the characters which are available in string 1, word 1, are there in string 2. So let me submit it to check the authenticity of our solution. Okay, I hope it is a job. Yeah, it did the job, and it is beating a large chunk of Python 3 uses. And so it is not that memory efficient because I'm using counters, but still it is able to do the job in pretty nice time complexity. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.